Oh, wow, guys, right here we have a 25-inch balance exercise ball. This is a half ball for exercises. Let's go. Open it up. There we go. This is the exercise ball. It comes deflated and all the pieces. Oh, cool. You have some instructions manual right here. So there's different exercises you can do with it. Some yoga, some push-ups. So we got 2 resistance bands. Oh, we have an extra yoga ball as well. It comes with the extra ball. Nice. I didn't realize we get extra ball. Heck yeah. Yeah. Yoga ball right here. Sweet. This is the half ball. This is what we came for. This is the big boy right here. Oh, yes. Let's go ahead. Oh, it's solid. It's a solid ball down here. You have some good resistance because you can use this for some push-ups on this side. So here's the pump. It says how to use a pump. To inflate, attach the vinyl hose to the blue nozzle. To deflate, attach it to the red nozzle. Okay, so we attach it to the blue nozzle. All right, so here's the hose. Attach it to the blue nozzle right here. And we'll just inflate. Here we go. There we go. Not too bad. Almost there. Halfway there. It's not too bad, right? That's how you inflate your exercise ball. This is a 25-inch half ball. So we're gonna overinflate just a little bit to compensate for the air that's gonna leak out when we pull the plug. So you gotta be quick to pull that plug and plug it up. Okay, here we go, here we go. The moment of truth. So we're gonna pull this plug and immediately plug it up. So you gotta be really, really quick. Ready? 1, 2, and pull and plug it up. Just like that. And there we go. So now we're plugged up and we are ready to exercise with this ball. You can stand on it, do your balance form, do your exercise poses on it. It allows you to really work your balancing muscle. Like you wanna do a tree formation or a tabletop like this, it's easy. Try doing it like this. See, much harder because your body has to balance. You can also flip around here and do some exercises like this. There's actually handlebars right here, right? Where you can put your handles. You can do some push-ups like this and really work extra stability muscles because this is harder to do than normal push-up because your stability, you have stabilizing muscles working to counteract all the motion, to keep it balanced, right? Very, very effective workout with this little exercise ball right there. So that's solid. It also comes with a resistant band, and you're gonna open up the carabiner and loop it around this loop right here. And now you have resistant band on this side. Same thing for this other side. You have this side. So now we got some resistant workouts you can do with this. You wanna do some curls? Oh, that's good. Some curls. And you want to open up right here. Very good for the balance. You can use one-legged to really balance yourself, but you have extra resistant handles right here. So this is a yoga ball right here. It's included with it so that you can add air, but don't lose the pin. So this tip right here doubles up, and now you can use this end to inflate the yoga ball, just like that. All right, here we go. All right, so now that we're done inflating, we're gonna take this out and swap in the pin that locks it in. So right there, pull it out, and then you use this pin, you're gonna swap it in, and like that. You can use the yoga ball for some ab workouts like this. Oh man, this yoga ball is tough. This makes ab workout even harder with a yoga ball. So anyway, you have the yoga ball right here. You can inflate it to whatever you want. Super bouncy yoga ball right there. And of course, the thing that you came here for is this 25-inch half ball right here. This thing is solid. I love it. I love that it comes with the handles for extra awesome workouts like this. Or you can use it just by itself. Half ball for exercising to stand on for all your balance workout. Just like this. Find your inner core. Find your balance and hold. Oh my gosh, that's really effective. Or come down here and do some workouts like this. Solid. Or even stand on there and find your balance like this. Oh my gosh. It really works your core on these half exercise ball. Just find your balance. Do whatever exercise you want. Well, there we go, guys. Right there. Yeah!